And again, I'm going to do a little handout on information that I did research because I'm an underwriter and I do research on everything. So I will share that for anybody who wants to know more. I'm also going to share a clip, something, I'll have to figure it out in Canva, of the pillow that I bought that's adjustable. I had no idea there was adjustable pillows out there. It's been too long since I bought pillows, I guess. And so I took a picture of that and I took a picture of the fluff that you can take out of your pillow. That was surprising. And I have to tell you, just because I'm a dork about this stuff, I bought the pillow, I got it out of the box, I was all happy about it. And then I was like, oh, mine's defective. I don't see a way I can take the fluff out. That's because this is a Tempur-Pedic pillow. I'm not even promoting Tempur-Pedic, although I love it. I'm not getting paid for any of this stuff. I'm just trying to help. So what I realized is Tempur-Pedic's just so well made that their zipper was basically hidden. And so I got on my reading glasses and I'm staring at the Tempur-Pedic going, where is it? Where is it? And I found the zipper. So when I pulled open the zipper, I was surprised. It wasn't big hunks of fluff, it was little baby hunks of fluff. So, like when you get a box and it's got all those little popcorny things and they like go flying everywhere and stick on stuff and you find them for days on end. That's kind of what this was like. I was picking up fluff because I like open the pillow excitedly and then I had all this fluff and they're just tiny little hunks of fluff. So, which is nice because you can really customize your pillow. I was shocked. So, I've got a little baggie of fluff. So, I would say when you're going to do this, have a baggie close by, a big one, like one of those freezer gallon baggies, and just keep messing with it. When I slept with the pillow without taking fluff out, when I thought it was defective, it was a little hard. It was a little bit too much for my neck, my back. But then when I was able to take some out, I think I still might take out a little bit more. But it's nice because you can do what you want, and that's going to help you with sleep.